How is it you don't get that?
We've done our job, we've done our bits. Though we would love to stay and see Somalia regain its full peace and its full status in the international community. But Sierra Leoneans, as we are departing the shores of Somalia, we wish the people of Somalia better days to come. We wish them peace. We wish them a stable Somalia, and that they will continue to enjoy peace. And what the legacy we are leaving behind, let other people follow suit.
Thank you.
We will not forget the friendly faces of the Somali people, and also one big impact that we'll never forget, that when we came, the first day we arrived in Somalia, in Kismayo, there was a lot of instability within the township. And today, I believe we are living a stable Kismayo. People will enjoy peace. And one thing the people of Kismayo admire a lot about Sierra Leoneans, we drop, we talk to them, we buy from them, and we feel they are African brothers and sisters.